tell you where the fish are.
Triple! Get in there!
Tell you where the
That's a
fish
nice
are.
fish.
Yeah, man.
I tell you where the fish are.
Woo!
Make it clear.
Hey everybody, Chris Schaefer of Pautzke Outdoors coming to you today from Indiana for the first time. We're in the mecca of steelhead fishing in Indiana. You can hear cars in the background here. We're in Michigan City, one of the places that the state of Indiana does a lot of planting. We came out here with Trail Creek Guide Service today to find some of these steelhead that come out here. You know, they're here in the fall, winter, and spring, and it's one of these places where you don't need a boat. You can simply walk the bank, come out here, and catch a lot of fish. And we're going to be walking the bank today with several baits. One is Pautzke BorX O Fire cured shrimp, and the other is BorX O Fire cured spawn bags. And guess what? If you have a guy that knows what he's doing, you know how to fish well, you're going to tie into some of Indiana's best steelhead. We're about 2 hours from Chicago right now, maybe about 3 hours from Detroit, and in the middle of the heart of some of the best steelhead fishing in the Great Lakes. We'll be back.
We're hooked up. Big steelhead. Real big steelhead. I haven't got a good look, but it's definitely a nice fish.
You're coming in already?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Ooh! Big boy with a big steelhead.
Dude, well, I got lucky, man. It was like I was flipping for bass.
I told you to order that fried fish last night.
Dude, she buried that bobber. Like, I hit the tree. I wasn't used to the, like, this rod's long. I like the rod. I hit the tree. We're in some cover. Like, I feel like I should be hunting.
Oof. The tail swap.
Dude, that's a tank right there.
That is a tank.
That's a tank
That-
right there. Don't pull out your back, buddy. Don't pull it out. It's a heavy fish. Woo!
That is a tank.
Dude, that's a tank, dude.
Yes.
All right, so I caught this steelhead on my last, it was probably about the last 2 seconds of my drift. We're fishing some heavy cover, fishing some deeper holes, and that fish sank my float, chartreuse sack, cured in a natural BorX O Fire, and it was a blast. Big steelhead.
Bam.
First one of the day so far, and hey, it's a good start. It's a big fish. So I'm pumped.
Goodbye. On.
That's a little guy.
It's all right.
Oh, we got him.
What's awesome about Trail Creek is you can come out here 12 months out of the year and catch a steelhead. Obviously there's peak times, which would be, you know, we have our Skamania run that comes in the summer. We have the fall run that will come in with the Chinook and the coho and some of the leftovers Skamania. Then we have the winter run, and then we have the spring run. So it's just a cycle of non-stop fish.
Todd is back on. This looks like it had some color to it.
A little bit, seems like. Little pink going on.
Don't let the beard fool you, folks. He gets serious when that line goes down. He's not ready.
All right, we got a holdover scam, spawned out little pin right here. Still beautiful colors. These Skamania steelhead that we have here, they come in the summer, around June, July-ish, and they'll stay and spawn in late winter to spring with the rest of the winter and fall steelhead that come in. One of the most deadly techniques that you're going to get your fish on a trail is going to be by far float fishing. Usually, anywhere between a 6 to 8 gram float will work for most of the waters here, because it's a lot of it. It's not flowing super fast. There's a few faster runs. You have your float and your shot to a swivel, micro swivel, then your fluorocarbon leader. Anywhere between 6 to 12 pound leader works, depending on your main line. Anywhere, a lot of guys run pretty skimpy. I go on the heavier side just because there is so much timber that you got to rip these fish out of some log jams a lot of times. Then anywhere between like a size 6 to 10 hook, size 12 hook. A lot of people think that you need a big hook to catch big fish, but the steelhead here, it's smaller hook the better, just for stealth. And the fish's mouth are so soft, you don't have to really put the wood to them on a hook set. They set the hook themselves.
Chris got one.
I don't think it's huge, but it's a fish. Come on, baby. I haven't seen it yet, though. I don't know. Oh, it's not bad. Come on. There we go. Little tug. It's not ready yet, Todd, but it's coming closer.
All right, man.
It's coming closer.
Ooh, that's a beautiful fish.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, beautiful fish.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Almost there. Maybe he's not ready yet. Come on. Kyle. Ready, Todd?
Ready.
Lift him up. Oh, he doesn't want to go yet. Oh, is he in?
Nope. I didn't knock him off.
Come on, get in the net. Woo! Yes! Bam! All right, guys, back here in Indiana fishing. Second cast, BorX O Fire cured spawn bag. Todd, this is a male, and we don't know if it's a wild fish or not because they don't always clip fish here, right?
Right. Looks like the top dorsal is clipped, so this is definitely
right here. We got a hatchery fish, beautiful fish, and we're gonna go get it back in the water. Let's try to get another one. This guy's going home. We'll see you next year, buddy.
All right, for float fishing, for trail, the most productive bait that you're going to get is going to be, spawn sack, shrimp, skein. Like this one, this is steelhead skein cured in natural BorX O Fire. This shrimp is cured in natural BorX O Fire. This shrimp is cured in natural BorX O Fire with liquid krill. And this is a sack with steelhead eggs, cured in natural BorX O Fire. Get out of that wood.
We've seen enough head into your Trail Creek wood already today. It's bolting upstream. Nice fish. Oh yeah.
Nice hand.
And that's over there on the tree, Kyle.
Get out of there.
He wants the wood.
You're smart.
Ooh, taking off. Not getting tired either.
There's a fresh one. It's a chroma.
Doesn't even look like it's close to ready.
No. Come on.
Oh. Oh!
Fine. Sorry. All right, we got a chrome winter fish right here. Indiana's finest.
Look at that bullet.
Silver bullet. Rip and drag.
I'm gonna get it back. Here we go. Gonna release this big fish. There she goes.
Ready.
Whoosh. Today Pautzke Outdoors comes to you from Trail Creek. We're here in northern Indiana right now. We're only about a few miles from the Michigan border, still in central time zone and really only miles away from the eastern time zone. We're 3 hours, I would say, north of Indianapolis. We're 3 hours more west of Detroit, and we're about 2 hours northeast of Chicago. So gives you a little bit of radius and where we are, and what that means is we're within range of a lot of major metropolitan areas and still have a wonderful fishery here. Again, there are a lot of steelhead here, very few brown trout, but you do get the occasional brown trout, and then you do have salmon that come in here during the fall as well. One of the things that people notice about Trail Creek is there's a lot of timber, a lot of fallen logs, a lot of snags, but that's what makes it special. You know, you come out here, expect to lose a little bit of tackle casting in those areas, but every time you cast, you have a chance of catching a beautiful, big steelhead.